Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to remove your birthday from your X app profile with the latest updated steps. Whether you want more privacy or simply prefer not to show your birth date at all, this guide will walk you through exactly what to do, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it to open the side menu. From the menu, tap on your profile to go directly to your profile page. This is where you can see your posts, bio, and all other personal information that shows up on your X account. Now, tap the Edit Profile button. This is the section where you can make changes to your profile details such as your name, bio, profile photo, and your date of birth. Next, find and tap on the date of birth section. Once you're inside, you'll see your saved date of birth and the privacy settings attached to it. Scroll down and look for the option that says Remove Date of Birth. Tap on Remove Date of Birth. When a confirmation message appears, select Confirm to complete the process. After that, your birthday will be completely removed from your X profile. This means it won't show up to anyone and it will no longer be part of your profile information. That's all it takes. You've successfully removed your birthday from your X app profile. It only takes a minute, but it's a great way to protect your personal information and keep your account details as private as you want them to be. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe for more updated X app tutorials. Thanks for watching.